Alright, hello my wonderful students. This is the last part of Foldable number 2, multiplying and simplifying rational expressions, radical expressions. For this one here, we have the square root, or radical xy, times the square root of 4xy. First things first, what we're going to do is we're going to combine it. So we're going to set this equal to, and we're going to go ahead and put it all together. We're going to put our xy times our 4xy here. Then we're going to kind of combine it. Well, first of all, our coefficient of 4. I know 4 is 2 times 2, so I can rewrite this as 2 squared. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I have equals the square root of 2 squared. Then I know I have 2 copies of x, so I'm going to have it as x squared there. And then I have 2 copies of y squared as well. So it seems like everything on this one's going to be able to simplify out, and this is just going to give us the square root of 2 is 2. Square root of x squared is x, and the square root of y squared is y. Okay, move on to the next one here. We have the square root of 9x squared times the square root of 9y to the 5th. We're gonna go ahead and rewrite everything together. So we're gonna do 9x squared times 9y to the 5th. Change that 9 a little bit. There we go. Well, our 9 can be simplified as 3 times 3, but we do have 2 of them, so another 9 here, and 3 times 3. We are doing square roots here, so we can rewrite this as 3 squared times 3 squared, because the squared will come out with the square root. Then our x2 squared is fantastic, but then we also have our pesky y to the 5th power. Can be broken down as y squared times y cubed, and then this one will be broken down as y squared times y, still giving us the 5 y's we started with, but leaving us with 2 that can come out. Let's go back to green. So we have our y squared and our y squared, and since this is already formatted that way, I'm just going to go ahead and multiply it by our last y, and that cannot come out. Okay, that being said, now we can go to our finishing color, which has been black so far. Forgot to circle that one and this one here. Please do those if you haven't done so yet. Oh, I didn't realize I did that. Oh, there it is. Just in case I did that. Sorry, guys. And so we can rewrite this as the square root of 3. So square root of 3 squared is 3. Times the square root of 3 squared is 3, times square root of x squared is x, times square root of y squared is y, times square root of y squared is also y, times square root of y. So this gives us 3 times 3 is 9, x, y times y is y squared, times the square root of y.